Hello everyone, myself Anuradha Siddharth Gavai. The main purpose of making this video, admissions are open in every school. But I firstly recommended to all parents, please take admission in your children Rayat English Medium School, Umbraj. I am proud parent of Rayat English Medium School because my daughter studied there in senior KG and I am so happy about her progress. Rayat is a brand, so that's why I recommended to all parents, please taking a admission in Rayat English Medium School. When I was taking a admission my daughter in Rayat English Medium School, that time she was not write a proper line, means three in English writing that like a three lines. So her writing was not proper in three lines. So after 7 days her progress is top of level. Her handwriting was outstanding, so that's why I like Rayat English Medium School. When you want to your children achieve a target, also progress, so please taking admission in Rayat English Medium School, Umraj. I have lots of experience, means good experience about Rayat English Medium School. Because their teacher is having a patience, kindness, also provide knowledge every student, personal care, every and each student taking a personal care, their teacher staff is also lots of effort. When your children will be means not working to properly, so every teacher doing a personal care about every student, so that is the main thing. Also my student having a improve her communication skills, also confidence level high when I was admission taking in Rayat English Medium School, that is the main thing to me. So also lots of thing in Rayat English Medium School, because I am firstly saying Rayat is a brand, so that's why I am saying please take a admission in your children when you want progress, your daughter, also your children. Also having Rayat facilities, not academic teaching, the effort, also participate in various activity. This helps the student all rounder progress, all rounder development. So that's why Rayat is good. Also Rayat having a lots of festivals attend there. Also Rayat celebrating festivals, also Rayat celebrate gathering. You know about gathering is lots of important of student and also parent involved there, so that is the main thing. So I've highly recommended and I am so happy to taking a admission my daughter in Rayat school, and also I recommended to all parents, please take a admission when you want progress in Rayat English Medium School, Umbraj. Thank you.